Today I'm going to show you how to remove the Gamma watermark from PowerPoint quickly and cleanly. If you've created a presentation in Gamma and now you want to polish it up for a final export or client delivery, this simple method can help you remove that watermark from every slide at once instead of fixing each slide individually. So if this video saves you time, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more fast software tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your PowerPoint presentation that contains the Gamma watermark. Once your file is open, look at the top menu and go to View. From there, click Slide Master. This is one of the most important parts of the process because the watermark is usually placed in the master layout, which means it appears throughout the entire presentation. When Slide Master opens, you'll see a list of master slides on the left side. Select the top master slide at the very top of that panel. This is the main parent slide that controls the design for the rest of the presentation. Now look carefully for the Gamma watermark or logo. It may be placed in a corner, near the bottom of the slide, or along the edge depending on how the template was created. Once you find it, click directly on the watermark to select it. You should see selection handles around it, which means PowerPoint has recognized the object. After that, simply press Delete on your keyboard. If the watermark is part of the master slide, removing it here will remove it from all slides that use that layout. That is what makes this method so fast and efficient. If you accidentally click the wrong object, just click away and try again until the watermark is selected. After deleting the watermark, take a quick look through the master layout to make sure nothing else was removed by mistake. Then, when you're ready, click Close Master View at the top of the screen. This takes you back to your normal presentation view, and the watermark should now be gone from all slides. At this point, you can scroll through your presentation and confirm that the change applied everywhere. If you're planning to present, export, or share the deck, this gives it a much cleaner and more professional look. And that's it. You've successfully removed the Gamma watermark from PowerPoint. If this tutorial helped you out, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next simple PowerPoint fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.